Hi, this is Dave Renne here from HighResolutionSystems.com, and you're viewing video 1 of our UDC On Demand series highlighting some of our software and services that we provide. In video 1, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can easily set up your own custom button interfaces, allowing you to stack multiple commands to send to any of our supported devices. I also will show you how these interfaces that you build will immediately be available on any web-enabled device such as iPad, Android, iPhone, iPhone 4, etc., just like you'll see here. Now initially, when you get started with your UDC, you must set up some kind of device to connect to when a button is clicked. This device can either be fully supported API, which we program for, such as Black Diamond, Datatech, Harris, Lightware, Barco, Vista Systems, and much more. Alternatively, you could even use our Listen and Learn technology to configure a new device that we haven't specifically programmed for support yet. If you really want to get crazy, you can even use some of our software to resurrect your old hardware controllers, where we will translate those controls to newer devices using our protocol translation. Now in this example, I've set up a Vista System Spider running on 127.0.0.1 listening on a UDP port. I created a UDC 400 button layout with over 40 Spider commands linked. As you can see, as I click around all these different buttons that I've configured, various commands show up on the Properties window. If you look at the Recall Script Queue button, I have multiple script queues that are queued up or stacked to be sent to the Spider device. Now if I press play on the UDC and execute that command, you can see that the Spider is receiving all the various commands that I sent, and the Properties window, the response window, shows all of what was sent to the Spider. If a web-enabled device such as the iPad clicks these same buttons, the same actions will occur as if you were directly in the desktop console. In addition to the commands being fired from the web browser, other devices which are viewing the same controller will immediately see what commands or buttons have been sent to the Spider device. Our web server technology scales each interface you build to the correct size of the connected device so that it fits perfectly in your web browser, such as your iPhone. Next, let's take a look at a user-defined custom controller interface. Here's a great example of a completed interface showing some of our supported devices. When an end user clicks a button and they refresh the browser window, they will see the current interface selected. Here is a view from Firefox, and also a view from the iPhone. If I stop play mode in the UDC and begin to edit this button I have of the Vista Systems URS, I can quickly replace this image with something else. In this example, I'm going to replace the image with a picture of Bill Gates. So I go ahead and swap them out. This new image I uploaded is shown immediately on the connected devices. Here's a view of Bill Gates on the iPhone 4. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of some of the HRS technologies. Join us next time for a new installment of UDC On Demand. I wanted everyone to be aware that on August 1st, 2010, we have released our first major release, version 3.0, which is now generally available to the public. Please call 888-742-7690 for sales inquiries, or just email us at sales@highresolutionsystems.com. Thank you.